Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to download the latest official BIOS driver for your Dell laptop slash PC. So in Google, you need to put in your make and model of your laptop or PC, and then you need to put BIOS and then driver. Okay, so make sure you put BIOS and driver at the end of your make and model. It will be the first link, guys. So this is the official Dell website. So select the version of Windows you've got, and then you go to BIOS. At the bottom, you scroll down, it will be here. That's the download icon, guys. Click on that and it will save onto your desktop. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching, guys.